Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Guys, finally CA Inter May 2025 examinations are done. In this video, I am going to share overall analysis or review of how the papers were. All the three papers of Group 1, I am going to discuss in this video. Number 1, advanced accounts. Number 2, law and taxation paper. See, advanced accounts, when it comes to advanced accounts, the paper, this is based on the students overall feedback. I am preparing this video and my own analysis of the question papers. See, generally advanced accounts, the paper was easy, bit lengthier paper. It was a bit lengthier paper, but it was on a easier side. 80% of the questions were familiar, means some or the other way you could be easily able to solve the questions, and 80% of the questions were familiar questions. 20% of the questions were tricky. Of course, it is very natural. I say, of course, it will not give 100% of the questions easy. Of course, they will give some questions so that they can control the pass percentage. Now, when it comes to question number 1, which is compulsory question, it had two parts. The first question was from AS 10. The next question was from AS 13. So the compulsory question was not so tough. Generally, the compulsory question is given very, very tough, but in advanced accounts for May 2025 examination, the question number 1, which was mandatory question, was on the moderate side. It was neither too tough nor too easy. Now, if I have to discuss about how the law paper was, let me tell you, if I compare the law paper with the accounts paper, it was much better. It was easy. It was neither lengthy. It was not lengthy at all. And it was very, very easy paper. Direct questions were asked, boss. Direct questions picked from ICA study mat had been asked in this examination, and even MCQs were pretty easy. So law paper was not at all a problematic paper for this attempt. It was very, very cakewalk kind of a paper. Easily, I think you can score very good marks in this paper. Now, coming to tax paper, boss, let me tell you one thing. MCQs were very, very tough. Yes, this is what I have known from the students. Generally, that MCQs were really tough. Even I have gone through the paper. I felt the toughness in the MCQs, boss. When it comes to descriptive paper, both DT and IDD, both income tax and GST, 80% of the questions of the descriptive questions were really familiar. If you know the concept, if you know the provisions of particular section, I think it is manageable. It was not that tough that you cannot write anything about it. It is definitely manageable when it comes to descriptive, but I totally agree with you. MCQs were damn tough. Now, this video, I made it only for those students who only prepared for group 1, boss. If you are preparing for both the groups, and if you are yet to give your second group examinations, then boss, better you avoid this analysis review of question paper videos, because this will spoil your other papers. If you have done really good in group 1, of course you will have the confidence, but by chance if your group 1 didn't go well, you will be very upset, you will be very demotivated. Don't carry the demotivation to the second group, boss. Give your 100%. But one caution I'd like to give here, boss. See, group 1, if you properly have a look at it, none of the papers were very tough, right? Generally, what happens, ICI gives a very tough question paper, at least one among a group. But in this case, in this May 2025 examinations, I don't see any kind of a higher, tougher question paper, at least in group 1. So you have to be little careful. You have to be little careful. You have to be little careful when it comes to group 2. I think auditing is going to be little trickier, boss. So be very, very cautious. Prepare very, very well for your audit paper. This is all from my end, boss. If you are looking for a direct tax or income tax, CA inter level or CMA inter, CA final or CMA final, income tax or direct tax content in pure English language, do subscribe to this channel. I'm coming up with lot of amazing content. Already I had uploaded direct tax marathon videos on this YouTube channel itself. Do subscribe to this channel for CA final. Very soon I'm going to come up with amazing revision videos for CA final September 2025 examinations and onwards. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.